wadhi achiel kachiel mondo wawinjane wach mar duond bura mar DAPK.
Litmus test for our unity as the united opposition. Just the way we're managing our internal disputes through internal dispute resolution mechanism, as the coalition we are equally setting in place mechanisms of resolving disputes. And in the coming days after IEBC, and we're calling upon IEBC, Kenyans are anxious. They've had wards and constituencies, 6 of them, 16 wards, unrepresented, some for over 2 years. I was in Huisero, where Maloba, the MCA, was murdered. In 2023, up to now, Kisa East has not had an MCA. So that lack of representation is a serious issue. And we are saying IBC must proceed with speed, give clear roadmap, beginning with by-elections. We need to know when we're going to have these by-elections. Then we are already in August, meaning we are entering that critical stage that Judge Kriegler talked about. 24 months to the next general election. IBC must be up and running and fully operational. They are just starting. We were a bit late in getting this IBC. So we must have a clear roadmap right from the by-elections all the way to the general election that is just 24 months away. We are talking of next August and the last August. The second Tuesday of the last August. That will be 10th August 2027. We do not have the luxury of time. We want to see IBC moving, and we want to see free and fair elections, starting with these by-elections. Already you can see the semblance of pre-election violence. You cannot have free and fair elections where there is violence, whether it's pre-election or post-election. What we are seeing in terms of violence unleashed against members of our coalition, we saw it in Muranga, we saw it in Subukia, we saw it in Chwele in Bungoma, we saw it in Kakamega. We are very, very sure that Ruto knows he's going to be a one-term president, but he's going to resort to 2 things. One, stealing elections, as Oscar Sudi has told us, Senator Cherargei has told us, and violence. So IBC, come out. But for us as the coalition, we are going to agree in the next few weeks after IBC announces to field joint candidates